HIV, or the human immunodeficiency virus, is a serious virus that attacks the body's immune system. This virus is a global health challenge, affecting millions of people worldwide. Understanding HIV is crucial to fighting its spread and helping those affected live longer, healthier lives. HIV specifically targets CD4 cells, also known as T helper cells. These cells are vital players in our immune system, acting like commanders-in-chief. They direct other immune cells to fight off infections and diseases. When HIV enters the body, it infects these CD4 cells. The virus then uses the machinery of these cells to replicate itself, creating more copies of the virus. This process, unfortunately, destroys the CD4 cells. As more and more CD4 cells are destroyed, the immune system weakens, leaving the body vulnerable to infections and illnesses. Without treatment, HIV infection progresses to a more serious stage called AIDS, or acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is diagnosed when the CD4 cell count drops below a certain level or when specific opportunistic infections occur. These infections are called opportunistic because they take advantage of the weakened immune system. Early detection and treatment of HIV are crucial to prevent the progression to AIDS. With early intervention, the virus can be controlled and the immune system can be protected from severe damage. Section 4. Recognizing the early warning signs. In its early stages, HIV may not always present clear symptoms. However, some individuals might experience flu-like symptoms such as fever, headache, sore throat, swollen lymph nodes, muscle aches, rash, or fatigue. These symptoms usually show up within 2 to 4 weeks of HIV infection and can last for a few days or even several weeks. It's important to keep in mind that these symptoms can also be caused by other common illnesses. So, it's crucial to get tested for HIV if you have any concerns or if you've engaged in behaviors that could put you at risk. Section 5. Dispelling myths: how HIV does and doesn't spread. HIV transmission happens through specific bodily fluids, primarily blood, semen, vaginal fluids, and breast milk. The virus spreads through unprotected sexual contact with an infected person, sharing needles or syringes with someone who's infected, and from mother to child during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. It's really important to clear up the myths and misconceptions about how HIV spreads. HIV cannot be spread through casual contact like hugging, shaking hands, sharing utensils, or using the same toilet. And just to make it clear, it also cannot be transmitted through air, water, insects, or saliva. Section 6. Living with HIV. A new era of hope with art. The landscape of HIV treatment has, honestly, changed dramatically with the advent of antiretroviral therapy, or ART. ART is a combination of medications that work together to suppress the virus, preventing it from replicating and damaging the immune system. When taken as prescribed, ART is highly effective in reducing the amount of HIV in the body to undetectable levels. And what's amazing is that this means people living with HIV who are on effective ART can live long and healthy lives with a near normal life expectancy. On top of that, they cannot transmit the virus to their sexual partners. Section 7. A brighter future: knowledge, treatment and support. While there isn't a cure for HIV just yet, the future for people living with HIV is, well, brighter than ever. With early diagnosis, effective treatment and ongoing support, individuals can live full and healthy lives. Knowledge really is power when it comes to HIV. Understanding how the virus works, how it spreads, and the importance of testing and treatment are absolutely essential for prevention and management. By working together, we can reduce the stigma surrounding HIV and make sure that everyone affected has access to the care and support they need.